Here I am going to show you how to use the Drain Weasel. It is a flexible plastic drain snake designed to quickly and easily unclog drains. It's about 1/4 inch in diameter and has these tiny plastic barbs on the tip, which are great at grabbing onto hair and other material that might be causing a clogged or slow-moving pipe. You simply push the Drain Weasel into the drain that you're working on and spin it around a few times. As you're doing this, you can push it further into the drain or pipe if needed and continue spinning it. Those barbs are going to grab onto any hair and it will wrap around the plastic. Then, when you pull it out, any hair is going to be removed with it. It's a great thing to try first for any shower, tub, sink, or drain that seems to be moving slower than usual. It's a quick, easy to use tool and always my go-to first item that I try for a clogged or slow-moving drain. I hope that this was helpful. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. Also check out some of the other videos on my channel. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.